Hi everyone, this is my first video for the Black 2 community. Hopefully you'll like it and there'll be many more to come. Today I'm just going to show you how you can tunnel out on our desktop connection using P-Link. It's pretty cool. I mean, I just think it's a good way to practice tunneling. It's quite simple, but it is definitely very effective. Sometimes I just think it's easy to round the system. It's used to the system, you can delve a bit deeper and have a better look, in my opinion. So we'll get cracking. As you can see, I've got Black 2 running, and it runs very well too, which is excellent. So thank you to the developers and everybody involved there. My next machine I've got is Server 2003. As you can see, IP 192.168.1.7. And I'm going to exploit this via this executable here, which is a binary payload I uploaded. I'm not going to go into details how I did that, how I created it, or how I uploaded it, because I'm going to do another video which will show you how you can upload files to different by different methods to system, TFT, PF, TP, VB, binary, etc. I'll show you a few methods you can get your users to trick them to click on these kind of payloads as well. That's going to be quite a fun video. Anyway, to handle the connection, I'm going to use the multi-handler. All we've got to do is make sure that all our inputs here match what we put in our payload. Once that's done, just exploit that, and that will get the payload handler running. We'll do a quick nmap scan of our target. As you can see, nothing. I purely run this scan just to show you that it was firewalled, so we'll just do another nmap scan. Oops, make this a bit quicker. Use a minus PN switch, give us a bit better response. And see, we've got a few ports. So here, even here after a scan, we've got a few options how we could attack this machine anyway. 445, do the MSO8, 67 exploit, etc. But we'll just use what we're using. So let's just pretend. Ooh, what's this? I've never seen this on my desktop before. I'll click on that. I know it won't happen like that, but you never know. I've seen it done before, and I'm sure it'll happen again. As you can see, straight away that's opened up as our interpreter shell. Sysinfo, yep. Just get the system, just escalate its prids. Works no problem. Now what we're going to do is we're going to upload P-Link. Now P-Link is the tool used to create tunnels. It's actually a very versatile tool. I'll definitely read up the documentation and get to know it. But we're definitely going to use P-Link, and that's kept in our /pentest /windows binary /tools. We're going to use the upload command. Give it the path where P-Link is, and we're going to upload it to Windows. Looks okay. Return. Uploaded. Excellent. So basically, before we do anything else, we're just going to double check that we have our SSH server running. So as you can see, 22 running. Always a good idea to check that, because you could be sat there hours thinking, why isn't this working? The reason is you forgot to do that. So let's just do a bit of enumeration. So just doing a net stat, just compare what parts are open compared to what ours. This is what we got back. I just highlighted, and these obviously are all the ones on the system. Now the one we're interested in is this one, remote desktop 3389. Now what we're going to do with this is we're going to tunnel that out to our attacking machine and make it available on our local host, so we can log into that. But before we do that, we actually need to make a username and password to enable us to log in. So let's do that. So what we've done there is we've just added a user and password, blackbun2, and then what we've gone and done is got it to the local administrators group, which also will give us better permissions when we do log in. And just to show you, we can exit out of the shell, no problem. Takes us back to the interpreter shell, and just dump ourselves back into the shell again. Just in case any of you are wondering. Right, so now what we're going to do is just navigate into the directory where we've loaded plink, and we'll put in the details we need. Just to let you know, this is a false password I've put in. It isn't the one I actually use. Go ahead and try it if you want. Put a syntax in. So basically that's the syntax. Plink, username, password, reverse tunnel 3389 on his local host 3389 to our second machine. That's pretty straightforward. All I'll do is we'll make 3389 listen on our local host on our attacking machine. Now don't be alarmed, it can take a bit of time. It takes a little longer on this video. Oh, there we go. Don't be alarmed because it does knock you out of the shell, as you can see at the bottom. You think, oh dear, what's happened? But it has in fact worked. So what we'll do is we'll just clear up this. Right, so if we just do a net stat, just check, you should have 3389 listening on our local host. Is that we have, which is good. So let's connect to that. Should open up his desktop. And that's let us in. Good looks of it. Good. Let's let it load up. And there you go. Blackbun2. Just do an IP config. And there you are, 192.168.1.7. I hope you liked the video. Comments, feedback, always welcome. And I hope to be producing some more videos. Thank you very much.